Welcome to Casual Comfort. Have you ever bought a beautiful pair of pants, brought them home, and then realized you have no idea what to wear them with? They end up hanging in your closet for weeks, and you choose the same pair of jeans over and over again because at least you know what to wear them with. Today, we'll explore what to wear with pants in summer 2026, specifically 7 simple combinations for every day. And I'll show you how to pair 7 different styles of pants so you'll never again be stuck in your closet, looking around. Here's what no one really explains about pants. Every trouser silhouette has a natural partner on top, a balance point that makes the entire look harmonious. If this balance is off, even gorgeous pants can look unfinished or disproportionate. When the balance is right, even the simplest top suddenly looks thoughtful and sophisticated. So let's take a look at the 7 most popular summer trouser styles of 2026 and what to wear them with. Combination 1. Wide leg linen trousers plus fitted tank. Let's start with one of the most popular silhouettes of the season, wide leg linen trousers, and the top that balances them most effectively. Because wide leg trousers already carry plenty of visual volume, the smartest move on top is something fitted and simple. A ribbed tank or a fitted t-shirt, tucked in neatly, creates definition at the waist and lets the trousers be the statement piece, rather than competing with an equally voluminous top. Choose a tank in a neutral tone that complements your trousers, and add a thin belt for extra waist definition if you'd like. Finish with leather sandals or simple loafers and minimal gold jewelry. This combination is incredibly versatile, working for everything from casual errands to relaxed dinners out. This is the pairing to remember whenever you're unsure what to do with a wide leg silhouette. Keep the top simple and let the trousers do the talking. Combination 2. Tailored trousers plus silk camisole. This combination takes a slightly more polished trouser style and pairs it with a fabric that instantly elevates the entire look, a silk or satin camisole. Tailored trousers already have structure built into them, so the contrast of a fluid, slightly dressy camisole on top creates a beautiful balance between structured and soft. Tuck the camisole in fully or partially, depending on how much waist definition you want to show. Choose a camisole in a complementary or contrasting neutral, and add delicate gold jewelry to enhance the elevated feel of the silk fabric. Finish with pointed flats or a low block heel, and a structured handbag to keep the overall outfit feeling intentional and refined. This is the combination to reach for when you want trousers to feel a little more special, perfect for dinner reservations, evening events, or any occasion where you want to look effortlessly elegant. Combination 3. Cropped trousers plus button-down shirt. Cropped trousers have a clean, slightly retro charm, and pairing them with a relaxed button-down shirt creates one of the most effortlessly chic combinations for warm summer days. Choose a button-down in a lightweight cotton or linen, worn open over a simple tank, tucked in loosely, or even tied at the waist for a more casual feel. The relaxed, slightly oversized nature of the shirt balances beautifully against the cleaner, more cropped line of the trousers below. Add a thin belt if you want more shape, and finish with simple flats, loafers, or a clean sandal, depending on the occasion. This combination works wonderfully for daytime activities, travel days, or casual lunches where you want to look put together without overthinking it. This is the pairing to remember when you want something that feels classic, breezy, and just slightly preppy all at once. Quick pause here because we're right in the middle of these trouser combinations, and if you're finding this helpful, this is the perfect moment to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It takes 1 second and you'll get every new style video the moment it's posted. While you're at it, give this video a like. It really helps the channel reach more people who are trying to get more wear out of the trousers already sitting in their closets. And tell me in the comments, which trouser style do you currently struggle to style the most? I read every single comment, and your answer might just become the topic of a future video. Alright, let's get into the final 4 combinations because these are some of my favorites. Combination 4, Palazzo pants plus fitted crop top. Palazzo pants bring beautiful volume and movement, and the easiest way to balance that drama on the bottom is with something fitted and minimal up top. Choose a simple, fitted crop top in a solid color, ideally one that either matches the Palazzo pants for a tonal, elongated effect, or contrasts subtly for a bit more visual interest. The key is keeping the top streamlined so it doesn't compete with the flowing volume of the pants below. Add delicate gold jewelry, simple flat sandals, and a small structured bag to keep the overall silhouette balanced. This combination feels effortlessly glamorous, perfect for evening events, vacation dinners, or any occasion where you want a bit of drama without sacrificing comfort. This is the pairing to remember whenever a trouser style feels almost like a skirt in its volume. Fitted and simple on top is always the answer. Combination 5, linen trousers plus fitted bodysuit. This combination creates one of the cleanest, most streamlined silhouettes on this entire list, and it works particularly well for trousers with a higher waist or a slightly more tailored cut. A fitted bodysuit eliminates any bulk or bunching at the waistline that a regular top might create when tucked in, keeping the line of the outfit completely smooth from top to bottom. This is especially useful with linen trousers, since linen tends to wrinkle and bunch more easily than other fabrics when paired with a looser top. Choose a bodysuit in a simple, solid color, and let the trousers bring in pattern or texture if you'd like some visual interest. Finish with strappy sandals or simple flats, and a structured handbag for a clean, finished look. This is the combination to reach for when you want a no-fuss outfit that still photographs beautifully and stays secure and comfortable throughout a long day. Combination 6, white trousers plus striped top. This combination has a classic, nautical-inspired feel that works beautifully for daytime summer activities, and it remains one of the most reliably chic pairings year after year. Choose a simple navy and white striped top, fitted but not tight, and pair it with crisp white trousers, either tailored or wide-leg depending on your preference. The contrast between the navy stripes and the white trousers creates a clean, put-together look without needing any additional pattern or color. Add a thin leather belt, simple gold hoop earrings, and either a flat leather sandal or a clean espadrille. A structured tan or navy bag finishes the outfit perfectly, completing one of the most timeless combinations in summer dressing. This is the pairing to remember whenever you want something that feels classic, crisp, and effortlessly put together, without requiring much thought at all. Combination 7, trousers plus lightweight blazer. We're ending with a combination that takes any pair of trousers and instantly elevates them into something genuinely polished, adding a lightweight, unstructured blazer worn open over a simple top underneath. Choose a blazer in a breathable linen or cotton blend, worn open over a tank, a simple tee, or even a slip top, depending on the look you're going for. The structure of the blazer balances beautifully against almost any trouser style, whether wide leg, tailored, or cropped, instantly making the whole outfit feel more intentional. Finish with simple loafers or sandals, and let the blazer be the statement piece, keeping everything else minimal and uncomplicated. This combination works for transitioning a daytime outfit into something appropriate for dinner, a meeting, or any occasion where you want a bit more polish. This is the pairing to remember when you want trousers to feel instantly more sophisticated. One smart layer changes everything. And that's all 7 combinations. Your complete guide to what to wear with trousers in summer 2026, ready to help you finally put those trousers in your closet to good use. Here's what I want you to take away from today's video. Every trouser style has a natural partner on top, and once you understand the proportion and balance each silhouette needs, getting dressed becomes so much easier. You stop guessing and you start building outfits with confidence, using pieces you may have been overlooking for months. So here's your homework. Pick just one pair of trousers sitting in your closet right now, and try one of today's combinations with them this week. I promise, the right pairing can make a piece you'd almost given up on feel brand new again. If this video helped you rethink your trousers, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments which combination you're trying first. And if you're new here, welcome to Casual Comfort. We post new style videos every week to help you dress with more ease, more confidence, and a lot less guessing. Hit subscribe so you never miss one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, wear the pieces you love, pair them with confidence, and remember, the best outfit is always the one that feels effortlessly you.